It's already January, and if you're a 10th or 11th grader hoping to make the most of your upcoming summer, now is the time to start applying to great programs. Whether you spend time living on campus or do online coursework, you gain valuable experience that can guide your final years of high school and boost your college applications. Here are 4 programs worth applying to this month. 1. Engineering Summer Academy at Penn, ESAP, deadline. Priority deadline, January 31, 2026, final deadline February 28, 2026. 2. Boston University RISE Internship, Practicum deadline, February 4, 2026. 3. Harvard Summer School, Secondary Pre-College Programs deadline, February 11, 2026. 4. Dartmouth, Georgetown and more, rolling deadlines various around February 1st to February 15, 2026. Interested in learning more tips on how to prepare for college? Contact Ivy Boost by registering on ivyboost.com to speak to a counselor today.